mate, Kavanagh and Gray. It's 8:10, so I'm ahead of yesterday's time by 20 minutes. I've already tipped. I've done my little reverse down the bank, which is a pain in the arse, but there's actually nothing about today, and I could have reversed into the street. Guy yesterday came out and took the car off us. On year one now, ready for about 12 mile away it says from the yard, and it's going to be 7 o'clock tonight, so a 13 hour today, 14 and a half hour yesterday. I think that's enough for the weekend, do you? So I've told them I'm not available tomorrow. I'm gonna have a little mess about with the vlogs, get this one up, which is mainly time lapse, sorry, and obviously the one I did yesterday, that'll be up first. It's that roundabout that I don't like very much. It's got quite a little thingy on it.